Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the port number of your Angular application. So I'll be showing you two ways how you can do this. So let's get started. So first thing is, to the left you'll be having this angular.json file. Just click that, and in this you need to search for this serve. So by default it is in line number 56. If you can't find it, Control F and you can just type serve. You'll be getting this over here. And in the serve you are going to paste this piece of code. So I'll just copy this. You can just pause the video and type it. So just going to serve, and inside the first curly bracket just paste it and just end it with a comma. Okay, don't change any of the other things. It's going to be option within double quotes, a JSON, and inside that the port within double quotes, and here you are going to specify your port number. So I'll just change this to something like this, and now saving it, and you're going to like stop the running project and again run it. So here you can see this time the port is not 4200 but the port that we have specified over here. So if I click it, it's on port 4855 and this port won't be working right now. Yeah, so this is the first way, and the second way is going to be by making changes in the package.json file. So for this, just go to the package.json file, and you need to go to scripts, and we need to add this particular thing. It's going to be ng serve -- port, the port number, and you need to add it inside start. Okay, just replace this and put it over here, and for this to run you must run it by using npm start. Okay, so I'll just clear this, and if I type npm start, hit enter, here you can see ng serving on port 5000 and it's running on port 5000. So if you use ng serve, you can make changes in angular.json. If you're using npm start, you can just make changes in package.json, and if I go here, it's running on port 5000. So this is how you change the port, guys. If you have any other ways, you can comment it out, and do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming, AI, CRUD operations, so subscribe me. Thanks for watching.